Hello everyone, this is Steve Popovich giving you an advanced tutorial of collage making and photo editing using the website photor.com. And so this website is a free site. It's pretty nice, has a great interface and really simple to use. And I used it to create a collage, which I will show you for this example, but it also gives you an option to edit individual photos if you like, and it's pretty robust. You can add a couple different filtering features and cropping and things like that. And if you like as well, you can create gift or cards that you can send out as Christmas cards or anything like that. And so you can get relatively creative with this site. And like I said, it has a really nice interface and it's really simple to use. So to show you how to use the collage feature of this site, and just a side note as well, the collage feature can be used for a multitude of purposes. For instructional purposes in particular, you can use it to add a lot of different images to one picture, I guess, or image that describes a certain topic, or you can create a collage of your kid's sports team or anything like that. So it has a lot of uses, and for as simple it is to set up, it takes about 2 or 3 minutes to put a collage together. You can customize it, you can do pretty much whatever you want with it. Then you can just save it to an image JPEG file or PNG if you want, and add it to a website, or you can send out an email or anything like that. So it's a pretty robust feature, and I'm happy to show it to you. So starting off, first step is you're going to want to go to photor.com, so www.fotor.com. And if you also have access is through the Quick Start Guide, I provided a link there for you, so you can just click on it if you like. And so on the home screen, the first thing you're going to do is click on Collage. And so you're just going to click on that option. And once that option pulls up, it's going to bring you over to a screen that is going to be the setup for just everything that you want to do with it. And so it has a lot of different features on this left-hand side that you can choose from. So on default, it's going to be set on the template for the collage. But if you want to, you can get kind of creative. They have something called like a funky collage, where you can incorporate different kinds of images. This is like a fall or a Christmas one, so you can, use it for like a Christmas collage or anything like that. And so there's a lot of, fun, different, creative templates you can use with it. And then also below that, you have an option where you can do shapes, so you can do hearts or Mickey Mouse or anything like that as well. And so you can just explore these different aspects of the system or the site, and they offer a lot. It's pretty powerful. But for here, we'll just stick with the traditional collage aspect of it. And so when making a collage, then the first thing you'll notice is on this left-hand side, you'll get to choose different templates that you can utilize. And so depending on how many images you want to include in the collage, they're going to give you different organizational patterns that you can use. And so for our case, I can choose 7, and then there is a couple different options for this that we can use. Actually, so I used 6 for my previous example. And so I'm going to go ahead and choose this one right here, where it's going to have one large image, and then it's going to have 5 smaller images around it. So the next thing you can do after this is upload your images, and then it actually gives you a little prompt right here as to how you can do that. But you just click on this Add Photos, and this is pretty neat because it gives you a couple different options of what you can actually pull these pictures from. And so you can connect with Facebook if you want. I believe you have to have an account with the system in order to do that, and then it has to link to Facebook. But of course, you can do Picasa, Flickr. You can take pictures just from your webcam if you want, and also connect and pull images from just a web in general. But for this example, what I've done is actually just save a couple images to my desktop, and I'm just going to add them straight from my desktop. And so all I'm going to do is click on Computer, and then as my computer's thinking a little bit, it's going to pull up a dialog box then, or I'm sorry, an upload box, where you're going to choose the file path. Let me just pull this right down here. So you'll choose the file path where your images are located. It's the same exact process that that you use for uploading a file for any program. And so as you can see here, I have pictures 1 through 8. And so I'm just going to press Shift and click, and I'm going to just go ahead and select all of them. And so what happens then is the images are going to upload, and then you can actually see them all right here on the side panel. And so this is the thing I was really impressed about with this website is in order to set up the collage, it's extremely simple. And so all you have to do is just take the picture you want, drag it, and then just drop it into the designated space. That's it. And what this allows you to do as well is it kind of has to zoom in a little from the original. So it gives you the option to actually choose exactly where you want the photo to be centered. And then also they give you an option to zoom in on that image as well. And then as well, you can add a couple different filters to it and adjust it a little bit as well. So there's a lot you can do with it in that aspect. But that's it. And so, all you have to do is just select whichever images you want to go in the select spots, and then just organize them however you want. And once you do that, let me just add one more here. And so once you have that done, then you can just save it if you like it how it is. Or on this left hand side, there's a couple additional options for you to adjust the borders if you like. And so you can make them thick or thin or however you like. You can round the corners of the images if you want to make it kind of like a scrapbook feature, which I think is pretty interesting. And you can also select different formats and templates for the border itself, so then it really does look like a scrapbook. And then lastly, you can add different kinds of backgrounds to the collage as well. And so I thought that was a really neat feature for a free program and for the simplicity of using it. I'm extremely impressed. And so so all you have to do is just confirm whenever you click or set your final settings, and then that's it.